Hi, I am Nora from ChatMaxima. In this quick demo, I will show you how to switch your Instagram account to a professional business account step by step. Once your business account is ready, you can connect it to ChatMaxima and manage every Instagram conversation from one shared inbox. Let us get started.
Before connecting your Instagram account to ChatMaxima, you need to switch it to a professional account. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to make the switch and prepare your account for integration. Here, we're on the Instagram home feed, ready to transform this account into a business account and unlock features that help you connect with customers more effectively. Open the More menu, where you'll find the settings and options needed to begin switching your account to a business account. From the More menu, open Settings to access your account preferences. Now, navigate to Account Type and Tools. This is where the journey toward a professional presence begins. From here, you'll find the option to switch to a professional account and unlock Instagram's business features. Select Switch to Professional Account to begin upgrading your Instagram account. Now it's time to choose the type of professional account. Select Business to unlock powerful features designed for brands and organizations, giving you access to business tools, insights, and everything you need to connect with your audience more effectively. Once you've selected your account type, tap Next to continue setting up your business account. Review the benefits of a business account, then tap Next to move forward with the setup. Pick a category that fits your business, like personal blog. Now, search for and select the category that best represents your business. After selecting your business category, click Done to confirm and continue with the account switch. Review the confirmation prompt, then tap Continue to complete the switch to a professional account. Your Instagram business account is now ready. Review the details. With everything set up successfully, tap Done to complete this transformation and officially begin your journey with an Instagram business account. Now that your business account is ready, personalize your profile by updating your photo, bio, and website to create a professional presence for your audience. Thank you for watching. Your Instagram account has been successfully switched to a professional account. You're now ready to connect it with ChatMaxima.